Max Your Journey Tribe, RV community, welcome back. I run an RV rental business. My name is Alvin, and today I'm going to help you with a problem that we all run into eventually. Our dome lights have gone bad. How do we fix them? Quick fix video. I will have the link below. This is for a 2-pack. Unfortunately for me, I have two problems. The bathroom light in here has went out, and the RV behind me, the living room light has went out. This is the click style button in the middle, as the positive and negative, has the equipment. It will be in the link below, but we're gonna fix this camper step by step. And once you're done watching the whole video, if you love it, hit the thumbs up. We're gonna help you out today and help myself out. Let's get into it. Tribe, so as we step into the bathroom, I'm gonna show you the light and how it sets up. It's right here. You're gonna have your 3 screws, you have your LED in the middle, your wires, your black and white wires running right through there. For right now, what I've been using is these puck style lights. The light comes on in the middle, you tap them, you have to charge them up. Not bad, especially if you lose power at the campground, which has happened before. I have spots where they can click on. I can put those links below as well. If you wanna get those, I might just put them in there. But right here, the light switch does nothing, and we have power on out here. So all these dome lights can be fixed just like this one. So I'm going to show you how to take it off, how to set it up, and we should go from there, and everything should work just fine. So when dealing with electricity, you want to make sure you kill all power. You want no possible solution for you to get electrocuted, guys. So what I'm going to do is hit all the light switches off inside my camper. I'm going to go and turn the front power button off that supplies power. I'm going to disconnect it from my house, and I'm also going to hit my breaker box, which is right here. Hopefully you can see it. I'm just going to kill all the power here as well, which is all overkill. I'm going to hit every single thing off. I'm going to go out front, and I'm going to power down the front power button. You don't have to do all of this, but guess what? I won't be electrocuted when it's over with. So in this sunset trail right here, guys, I have a kill switch for my battery right here. I'm going to go ahead and kill that. I don't know if you have one. They're right there. They're awesome to save your battery. And then let's just go in the back of the camper right here. And why not? Let's just take off the main source of power that's running from the house, just in case. So now we have taken all power away from this camper, and now we can start working on that light. Give me a screwdriver, a Phillips head, and now we can jump into it. So now that we have all 3 screws out of the front, these are our LED lights. This right here is where it hooks up. It probably could be a disconnection in here that is a reason why it doesn't work, but all of this gets stuffed inside the ceiling. But right now I'm going to take it all apart and replace this completely, guys. This comes all part of the new hardware, but that's the screws. That's your 2 connections. As you see, your black wire goes with your green and your white goes with your white. So remember that, or if yours is different, make sure you take a photo before you disconnect them. Also, if you never dealt with anything electrical, this box that I show you in the link below comes with the pieces you need. So instead of crimping them together like some of them, these, you just put your 2 wires, twist them together, and then twist these caps on the end to seal it all together, guys. And what I can do before I put it all back together, I can just turn the power on and make sure it actually works, right? I can do that. Let there be light. Look at the bright light, baby. I can't believe it took me a year to do this, guys. All I have to do is put the screws up there. This is a short and sweet video. As you see here, we have light. It is bright. Look at that click button working. But watch this. I don't have to push the dome light if I don't want to, but I can. My light switch now also works, and I feel like this is a way brighter light, guys. I went with the warm white. I believe the link's going to be below. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'm going to show you one last clip of it looking up or sitting up there looking pretty. And guys, if I helped you out, help me out, hit the thumbs up. Let me know down below. Did I help you? Max your journey. Stay safe out there and happy camping. I'll see you next time. My name is Alvin.